Hey y'all, so I'm gonna be vlogging today. I'm not really going anywhere, it's just gonna be a short vlog. But yeah. Alright y'all, so we in a car.
You had to go down there by the water.
No, I'll go down there on foot. But if we was driving along, nah. Cause I can't swim. And the car could get filled with water. The car could get filled with water.
Yeah.
Like, Alright, y'all. You can't see the water from here, but about to walk. Where's we at? I don't even know what city we're in. Or some Indiana. Okay, that's all I know. Oh, see, yeah, this is fine. But that other stuff is scary. Oh, that's cute. Didn't I get the whole thing over there? That's not right.
Oh, that's what it's saying.
I'm too close to the water. That's not right. Well, I'll sit on the rocks, but I know that's how I want to live, but just without the water. Okay, we made it down the rocks. I might get in the water. Scared. Well, I'm not. My cousin is. Yeah, never. I wish I could swim. Oh.
But I think it's
Yeah, the amounts of sand that was in my shoe is so nasty. I'm about to just go ahead and take my shoes off. Davion, Dede, hey, stop eating it. Oh my gosh, Dede, look. This is the first time at the beach. I had to force him to sit down. He was scared. But they got me sitting down. I'm about to just find some rocks. I'm not a beach person. I can't swim. I don't like animals. I love nature, but I'm scared of everything else. But I'm gonna just draw. Yeah. I'm gonna put my name in the sand. Okay, trip's over. This is a good place to take pictures, but I don't even feel like it. That ain't just going. Okay, but yeah, so I didn't get in the water, as y'all can see. That stuff is scary.